Hello everyone, in this video we will take a look at the latest and most advanced Android port of My Summer Car. As in every video, the download link for this game is in the comments section of the video. You can go and download it from there. This port is of course not the latest version of My Summer Car, so this is the main menu. I could not record the sound of the game in any way. If you have any advice, write in the comments. Turn off the option I showed you when starting a new game, otherwise once you die all your saves will be deleted. This cutscene is known to everyone who knows the game, so I'll skip it here. When the game is first opened, the FPS is low, then the FPS increases. This game will not work on low-end devices. It is not an optimized game. Since I turned my game's graphics to the lowest, my game looks like this, but if you have a high-end device, I will put a picture here of how the game looks when you max out the graphics. The most important feature of the port is that everything is made exactly the same as the game. Not only the game map or the vehicles are the same, but everything is the same. To make it easier to explain, I will attach the first part of the car to the car. For those who are curious, the missions in the game, the phone, motorcycle, and other vehicles that we take the missions, the repair shop part, the town part, and other regions, and all the characters are in the game. Although I can't record the sound of the game, the sounds of the game are exactly the same as the original game. In the next part of the video I will show you the interactions in the game and how you can run the boat, tractor, truck, and truck in the game. If you think I'm playing this game connected to a computer, I'm not. As you can see, my internet is turned off.